Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the appearance section on your account on booking.com easy and quickly. So first of all, enter booking.com, click on your profile or your account, and then click device preferences. And now as you see here, you can manage the appearance, so click on it. So you can change it to dark theme like this. So that's it. That's how to change the dark theme, how to change your dark theme on your account on booking.com easy and quickly, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.